the angle that the vector A equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap makes with the y-axis. Here we have to find angle of a vector with y-axis. So given vector is A vector equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap. Here we can see A vector involves two components, that is 2i cap plus 3j cap, which can be represented in this figure. A vector is represented like this and its two component, that is 2i cap which will be along x-axis and other component that is 3j cap which will be along y-axis, can be represented like this. If we draw a triangle from this, we can see one is base, other one is perpendicular, and third side will be the hypotenuse. So we can see an angle which is represented here with theta can be calculated with the help of perpendicular, which is 3, and base, that is 2. We can easily find the angle in the form of tan theta. If we want to calculate hypotenuse, we can calculate it here only, that is root of 3 square plus 2 square, that will be root 13. So we are getting the values of perpendicular and base and hypotenuse with the help of right angle triangle. Perpendicular is 3, base is 2, and hypotenuse is root 13. Now we will see what will be the angle theta. Theta can be calculated with the help of given figure, that is tan theta. It can be represented with the help of perpendicular over base. So we can see that is perpendicular is 3 and base is 2. So we are getting 3 by 2 as tan theta, which is angle with the x-axis, but here we have to find angle with the y-axis. So we can modify this like this. Suppose we have considered a triangle with the x-axis. Now we are considering triangle with the y-axis. So here this one was the vector which is represented by A. Now this component is 3 and this component was 2. So I have written this component as 3 and this component was 2. Now this angle will represent angle of a vector with y-axis. Suppose this is alpha. So alpha is representing angle of a vector with y-axis, which has to be calculated. Now we can see alpha can be find out with the help of trigonometry, that is tan alpha. So tan alpha can be written as 2 by 3, or alpha can be written as tan inverse of 2 by 3. Therefore, the answer of this question as asks the angle of a vector with y-axis, which is coming out to be tan inverse 2 by 3. Thank you.